Are you ready to revolutionize your business and gain a competitive edge in the market? In today's fast-paced world, leveraging the power of artificial intelligence, AI, is the key to unlocking your business's full potential. If you're eager to discover how AI technology can skyrocket your success and take your business to new heights, then you've come to the right place. Explore the incredible ways AI can revolutionize your business. Get ready for an in-depth exploration of AI's potential and learn how to harness it for maximum impact. If you find this information valuable and want to stay up to date with the latest AI advancements, like and subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll gain access to exclusive content, insightful interviews, and expert advice from industry leaders. Don't miss out on this opportunity to stay ahead of the curve and unlock the true potential of AI for your business. Join our community of like-minded professionals today and let's dive into the world of AI together. Understanding AI technology. Before we dive into the practical applications of AI for your business, let's take a moment to understand the fascinating technology that is artificial intelligence. AI is the groundbreaking field of computer science that enables machines to simulate human intelligence. It encompasses various technologies like machine learning, natural language processing, and computer vision. Now that we have a grasp of the basics, let's discover the endless possibilities AI technology offers to businesses. Revolutionizing customer experience. In today's highly competitive market, delivering exceptional customer experiences is the key to success. AI technology empowers businesses to take personalization to new heights. Imagine understanding your customers' preferences, needs, and desires on an individual level. With AI, you can do just that. From tailored recommendations to proactive chatbots, AI revolutionizes the way you engage with customers, fostering loyalty and driving growth. Boosting efficiency and productivity. Time is money, and AI technology can save you both. By automating repetitive tasks and streamlining operations, AI frees up your valuable resources, enabling your team to focus on strategic initiatives that drive your business forward. From automating inventory management to optimizing supply chain operations, AI boosts efficiency and productivity, helping you achieve more with less effort. Unleashing the power of data analytics. Data is the new gold, but extracting valuable insights from vast datasets can be overwhelming. This is where AI comes to the rescue. AI-powered data analytics unlocks the potential of your data, revealing hidden patterns and trends that can revolutionize your decision-making. Imagine having access to accurate predictions, market trends, and customer behavior analysis. With AI, you can harness the power of data to drive your business strategy, resulting in better outcomes and a competitive advantage. Empowering sales and marketing. Sales and marketing are the lifeblood of any business. AI technology empowers you to supercharge your sales and marketing efforts. From lead generation to personalized marketing campaigns, AI analyzes vast amounts of customer data to identify potential opportunities and deliver targeted messaging. Additionally, AI-powered chatbots provide instant customer support, guiding potential buyers through their purchasing journey and increasing conversion rates. Strengthening cybersecurity. In an era where cyber threats are on the rise, protecting your business and customer data is paramount. AI technology can be your most potent weapon in the battle against cybercriminals. AI algorithms can detect anomalies, identify potential security breaches, and predict cyber attacks, enabling you to fortify your cybersecurity measures. With AI, you can safeguard your sensitive information and ensure peace of mind for both you and your customers. Streamlining operations with AI-powered automation. Running a business involves numerous operational tasks that can be time-consuming and prone to errors. AI-powered automation comes to the rescue by streamlining your operations and optimizing efficiency. From inventory management and supply chain logistics to workflow automation, AI can handle repetitive tasks with precision and speed. By leveraging AI in your business, you can reduce costs, minimize human error, and ensure smooth operations, allowing you to focus on strategic decision-making and business growth. AI for predictive analytics and forecasting. Making accurate predictions and forecasts is crucial for making informed business decisions. AI technology excels in predictive analytics by analyzing historical data and identifying patterns that can predict future trends. By utilizing AI algorithms, you can gain insights into market demands, customer behavior, and industry shifts, enabling you to make proactive decisions that keep your business ahead of the curve. With AI-powered predictive analytics, you can optimize your inventory management, anticipate customer needs, and make data-driven decisions that maximize profitability. Enhancing product development with AI. Developing innovative and market-leading products is a key driver of business success. AI technology can play a significant role in enhancing your product development process. By leveraging AI algorithms, you can analyze customer feedback, market trends, and competitor data to gain valuable insights that inform product design and development. AI can assist in generating product recommendations, creating personalized user experiences, and even predicting future market demands. With AI's help, you can accelerate your product development cycle, reduce time to market, and ensure your offerings align with customer preferences, giving you a competitive edge. We've only scratched the surface of the transformative power of AI technology for businesses. From enhancing customer experiences to optimizing efficiency and fortifying cybersecurity, AI offers an array of benefits that can skyrocket your success.